So y'all, I just completed day 7 of the 30-30 challenge, and you know we got to get our protein in afterwards, right? I was gonna drink my Quest protein shake, but I said to myself, girl, you ain't made a shake in a long time. So guess what, y'all? We're gonna make a shake today. All right, y'all, so we're gonna get to making this shake, right? I gotta go grab all my ingredients. We're gonna grab the blender, and we're gonna get to making this bad baby. We're gonna make a high protein shake for a post workout. Okay, let's get our items. Get my blender up out of here. Yeah, I was like, you know what? Let's just make a shake because I haven't made one in so long. It's been at least 2 months, so we're gonna go ahead and make one. I got my Ninja. We're gonna get her all plugged in. I haven't decided quite yet, y'all, what kind of shake I'm gonna make. I have some frozen fruit in the refrigerator, so we'll see what we got in there, and we'll decide then. I'm gonna get this rinsed out. And y'all, I never throw away my boxes. I don't know why, but I keep it. So this blender has been used a few times. It's just that after I use it, I always wash it. We're not gonna use this part though. Always wash it and put it right back up in the box. So we're just gonna make a single serving. So we'll just use this container here. I'm going to add some ice to it. So we'll add a little bit of ice, just enough to make one shake. It's only me. That might be too much, but we'll see. We're gonna get our protein powder out. So when I'm making shakes, I typically like to use this. This is the Premier Protein Whey Protein Powder Shake. It only has 150 calories and it has 30 grams of protein in it. You have to use 2 scoops. And guess what, y'all? Only 3 grams of carbohydrates and 1 gram of sugar. That's awesome. So you guys, if you're looking for a nice and healthy protein powder or protein supplement to add to your diet, you can use this as a meal replacement. You can use it as a post-workout shake, any of that. So we're gonna add 1 scoop, 2 scoops of this, and it is the vanilla milkshake flavor. So let's get that adjusted. And we're gonna add a little bit of chia seed in it and some flax seed because we need to get that fiber in there, right? So we're gonna add some of this. So this is the flax seed that I have. Huge container of it. It's organic, of course. And I also have, show you the chia seeds. Have the ground chia seeds as well. Both are organic. So we're gonna add just a teaspoon of each one of those. Not a whole lot. So we'll put the chia in there. I don't like to add a whole lot of the flax, so we probably do a little more than half a teaspoon. Yeah, let's go ahead and do it full. Because I don't like for it to make my shake too thick, because if you don't drink that down right away, I'm talking about like right away, it starts thickening up on you real quick, y'all. That's what flaxseed will do, or chia seeds will do it too. So put this back up. Actually thinking I have some caramel drizzle, sugar-free caramel drizzle. What y'all think about a banana or a caramel banana milkshake? Let's try that. I have some bananas. So instead of us getting some frozen fruit out of the freezer, we're just gonna use a banana. See how that is. I like to make all kind of milkshakes, y'all. I just be making up stuff as I go when I make milkshakes and stuff. It's crazy. I've made so many different types of milkshakes over the years. But we're gonna use one whole banana because we want all of that banana flavoring in that milkshake. So we got that. And then we're gonna add a little bit of coconut water. So I have some coconut water. I have this type of coconut water, y'all. The Vita coconut or Vita cocoa. Coconut water is organic coconut water as well. So we'll add some of that and shake it up. I may need to open up another container. I like to drink this to stay hydrated. Coconut water, if y'all didn't know, it keeps you hydrated, baby. So, and it gives you some extra electrolytes. So if you needing some electrolytes in your system, you see yourself cramping up a lot and all of that, the muscle cramps, that means your electrolytes are low. So get you some electrolytes. And we're gonna pour that in there. We'll pour all of it. So this was a little less than half of this container, which is 11 ounces. So we're gonna say roughly about 5 ounces. So we're gonna put the top on here. Turn around a little bit. We'll put the top on here. I'll let y'all see what I'm doing. Okay, so we have our protein powder in here with the chia seeds and the ground flax. Both are ground, and they're all organic items that I have in there. And we have, of course, the organic coconut water and banana. So now we're gonna turn this on. Let her power up. And then we are going to blend it up. So we'll just put it on manual and then we'll start. We'll let this go for a minute until I think it's nice and smooth. And then I'll shut it off, and then we're going to test it out, see how it tastes. That should be good. So we'll see how that is. Okay. And the other thing I like to do, y'all, I'm fancy. When I make my shakes, I'm a little fancy with it. So I like to use like a goblet or a wine glass or something to pour my shakes in, make it, you know, look that much more appetizing. And then the other thing that I like to do is I like to take some of my protein shake, y'all, and all right, there we go. I like to take some of my protein shake, y'all, and I like to froth it up and put it on top. I don't have any whoop topping right now. I like to sometimes use like a sugar-free whip topping too to put on top. That's another tip to make your drinks look nice and presentable, tasty. But we're gonna use the nice frother here. All right, get that ready. And I guess I should taste this first, right, huh? Before we pour it in this glass. Make sure I'm not missing something up out of here I may want. It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. So we are going to add this this caramel drizzle to it. Or maybe we should do chocolate, y'all. What y'all think? What y'all think? Let's see if I got some chocolate in here. I do have some chocolate that I like to put in protein shakes too. It's this kind of chocolate though. It's the powder cocoa. When I'm making like a chocolate milkshake. So that would be good. A chocolate banana, like a Dirty Monkey milkshake. I've made those in the past too, but not this time. We're gonna stick to the caramel. So I'm gonna take the napkin, dry out the goblet. We're going to drizzle our caramel all around up in the inside of the glass. Make it look cute, like so. And then, almost forgot y'all, froth up this topping for it. So just a little bit in a cup. And then you just froth it up to get nice and thick. So. I think my frother need a battery, y'all, because it normally goes faster than this. But this is gonna do for right now. I'm not gonna change it right now, not right now. So it may take a little bit longer for it to thicken up as much as I like for it to be thick. But you can see it's rising. And okay, so we have our caramel in there. We're gonna add a little bit more just because we can, y'all, at the bottom. All right. And we're gonna gonna pour our shake. In the glass. Y'all see how that look? We're not gonna go all the way to the top because then we'll put our whipped topping on top. But honestly, the whipped topping is the same color, so we won't really see it as good, but we're gonna put the topping on there. And it's a protein topping, so that's even better. You have even more added protein, right? But you can see that. And one more thing, y'all. We're gonna put some cinnamon on top, only because, well, two more things. I told you, I like to just do it, make up stuff as I go, right? So this wasn't pre-planned out or anything, so we all over the place with this, right? But we're gonna get it together. So y'all, while I'm finishing this up, what kind of protein shakes do y'all like to drink? Do you like to drink protein powders? Do you like to just buy the containers or bottles of protein like this and drink them? What you like to do? Let's see if we can get this banana on here. Oh, it doesn't want to cooperate. Let's try it again. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go. Work with a sister. Work with a sister. And why not add just a little bit more across the top? Because we can, right? A little bit more caramel across the top. I'm gonna let y'all see this. Y'all can't see. Y'all can't even see this. Look at that. Look at that, baby. And then we're going to look at that. What'd I tell y'all? Don't that look good? Now this is something that you'll want to drink after a workout, right? Make you feel like you drinking a dessert or got a milkshake or something from McDonald's or something like that. Yes, this is what you want. So that's our milkshake for today, y'all. And it's nice and healthy. It's gonna help build those muscles. It's gonna help recover them, help the muscle to recover. Yes. So try this. Let me know how you like it, and drop it down below in the comments. What kind of shakes that you like to make, or if you would even try this, or if you would suggest something different. I take suggestions too, y'all. You know, give me a suggestion on a shake to make, and I will make it. But thank you for tuning in today to this video, and come back and see me, y'all. And listen, if you new here, subscribe, hit the subscription box, and make sure you turn on your notification bell too, so you can get alert when new videos drop. And if you are a returning viewer, you already know. Welcome back, babes. Hugs. Yes, welcome back, and come back and see us again, y'all, in the next video. I'm Nisha, and it's the GLO Experience. Bye.